guys. It is Friday, April 29th, I believe. I literally just woke up. It's like 8:45 or something like that. Ruth and his dad just left to work on the condo, so I'm going to go meet them over there right now. I wasn't able to film the first 2 days of renovations because the first day I was at work until 4:30 and they start obviously early. Then yesterday, same thing, I had class, so I wasn't able to film that part, but they have like another week and a half of work to do, so they are actually painting my room today. I'm very excited. So that is happening today. I'm at his house now still. I'm probably going to head over quite soon. I need some coffee first. That is essential. Today, coffee is essential. If you're new here, my name's Shay and I make videos on life and style. I do a lot of vlogging, so if that's something you're into, hit that subscribe button right now. Don't forget to push that bell notification to be notified every single time that I post. And while you're at it, give this video a like and give this video a comment because I appreciate it so much and it does help with the algorithm and it helps me grow so much. So yeah, that's kind of the plan for this morning. I'm usually not up this early, but I've been trying to get up earlier. I want to be a morning person. I used to be a morning person, but when shit hit the fan with the world, I was not a morning person anymore. But we're gonna get back on that routine. We're gonna become her again. Yeah, let's head to my house. So I just put some tea on, I cleaned up the kitchen a little bit. I'm gonna bring Ruth some coffee. I'm gonna show you guys what's looking like. You can see some paint colors actually, but I'm still gonna get copyrighted for the music playing in the background, but let's go anyways. I have coffee. Okay, so the way to explain this is Rith, you just saw him, he's in the room behind my mirror and like bathroom area. So they're like insulating it because all the fiberglass was like hanging out of the ceilings and stuff. So this is like the insulation. Am I doing a good job?
Sure.
So basically all this stuff was like coming out of the walls. And so now Rith's just putting on this. But back here, this is directly behind my bathroom. We're gonna put shelves here to like store stuff. No, we're not painting it. It's literally just gonna look like this. So now this is the situation downstairs. This opened up into the living room on the other side. We wanted to close it because we were just losing so much heat from it. They put this wall here, and then what the plan is, we're gonna put like wooden shelves. This is gonna be like a drop-off area for a purse and everything. These are our paint colors, by the way. We're ending up going with this one. It's called Edgecomb Gray, just because these ones were like too light. So we're gonna do this one all in the house, but my room is gonna be this color, the Swiss coffee, which is already in there. On this side, we sheetrocked this fireplace because it was this wood. So we just wanted to cover the whole thing up all the way to the ceiling, and we're gonna paint it the color over there like that. What's going on here? He's just sitting behind you, the man behind the work. I think he gets the best boyfriend of the year award. So I need to figure out something to eat. I'm like not a breakfast person, but I'm hungry. So like we just have like a bunch of leftovers in here. I have like Panera. I have a Caesar salad. I eat out a lot, guys. It's really bad. So I have my Morning Star veggie patties that I'm gonna make. I think that's literally all I'm gonna have with my tea. There is nothing better than a cup of tea in the morning, honestly. It's like way too hot right now. I'm not gonna try it. But I asked you guys on Instagram if you preferred your tea plain or with like cream and sugar, and most of you said plain. Also, I found out there's donuts here, which is awesome. So I'm gonna have one. I just have my 2 sausage patties, and I'm gonna have a donut. I'm gonna have tea, and sounds good to me. I will check in with you guys after breakfast and progress on the house. Ruth and I just moved all the furniture away from the walls. Okay, well, I cleaned up all the little stuff. I just told him now I want my room to be this empty all the time. Is that like a weird mood? So completely forgot to film the vlog yesterday, but I'm gonna continue it into today anyways. I'm gonna do like the first few days. So we're on day 2 and my room is done. It doesn't even look any different, but it's like fresher, it looks cleaner. I like it. I think it came out really well. I'm very happy with it. So they're gonna push back the furniture and everything today. And then we're doing the loft, but right now they're working on those shelves in that room. So they're working on that right now. And we're gonna be painting this today, which is a huge transformation. So all of my stuff is gonna go back in my room today. I think I'm just gonna kind of like sort through it. It made me realize how much stuff I have that I actually don't even use, like just like random stuff laying around. But the color out here will not be the same as in my room. The rest of the house is gonna be Edgecomb gray that I told you guys. It's a grayish, it's like a tan gray. So the shelves are done, guys. Oh my gosh, look, they look so cute. All of our decor is gonna go here, like all of our seasonal house decor stuff. We're not sheetrocking in here. We're just gonna leave it like this. It's just a storage room. You did a great job. All right, so now we're doing the loft and we took everything out of here. And right when I thought my room was clean and perfect, this happened. So everything that was in here is moved in here. We aren't painting this wall yet because of the work that has to be done on that one, but we're painting this wall, this one, that. He's up there painting it. This is the color so far. Clean. Okay, now you can see more of the color. So pretty. Wow. It's still on the beam. I love how the light's hitting it right now. This is so pretty. I love the light. So it's done, at least this wall is done. But guys, can you see how much bigger the room looks? I like that it's like changing in the light. Like over there, it's more gray. Here, it's more the beige color. And then they did down the stairs and up to that wall. It looks so much bigger and I love the way it looks, guys. These windows in the house and the one in my room, I just love how framed they are. It's very contemporary. So that is it for this video. I was gonna say today's video, but it's technically 2 days of videoing. If you like this video, be sure to go to my channel and check out all the other ones I have. And if you love them that much, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. Like and comment on this video because it does help me and I appreciate it so much, guys. You guys are killing it. You're awesome. And push that bell notification to be notified every single time that I post. Ooh, I almost forgot. Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.